Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of wall paint in this video. These pink color wall designs looking so beautiful and nice for your room designing. If you also design your room wall with pink paint, then this video will be very beneficial for you. This video contains a lot of designs for your room decor. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch this video at the end. This video contains very beautiful designs for your room decor. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.